In Africa, we can find giant snails, whose size is even bigger than the palm of a human hand. This snail is known as the Giant African Land Snail. This animal grows fast and is rich in protein. Interestingly, in some parts of African countries, there are already special farms that cultivate these snails on a large scale. But despite being highly nutritious, these snails can carry parasites and dangerous bacteria. Local communities have inherited traditional methods to process snails safely before consumption.